This is so good. So good. Hello lovely and beautiful people, what is up? It's me again, Maidah the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to another video, another episode of our cooking trips. Alright guys, today's video, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be simple, and of course delicious. I'm gonna show you how to make this egg wrap, and you know, you can have this lunch, breakfast, or even brunch, or even in the afternoon. Actually, you can pre-make this sandwich and, you know, pack it as your lunch, and it's very delicious, it's very tasty and flavorful. So I want you guys to know this recipe, and I'm gonna show you how to make this simple what I call it, egg sandwich, or I mean like egg miso tofu wrap. Alright, let's dive into it. Now we've got here some packed tofu that you can actually buy in most supermarkets. We're going to open this up and drain the liquid and slice them lengthwise, roughly about ½ inch thick, or depending on how thick you want it. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soybean paste or miso paste, and of course 3 tablespoons of soy sauce to have an extra umami flavor. We're also going to add some water, 1/4 cup of water, to reduce some saltiness. Then rub them gently and carefully and glaze the marination and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Next, let's crack some eggs, probably 3 or 4 eggs, and this will make us 3 wraps depending on the size of your eggs. Yes, the size, and just whisk it until it's fluffy. Meanwhile, slice up some tomatoes. Next, grab a pan, make sure it's hot, add some olive oil, and let's fry our tofu. Now our tofu is done, transfer it into a bowl. Again, use the same pan, but make sure you clean it, add olive oil, and let's pour our eggs. This will be really quick, so pay attention guys, but don't season it yet, not yet. Mix it first, and now we season it with some salt and freshly ground peppers. Mix them well, and yes, we're adding some cheese because I love cheese. I really love cheese. Who doesn't, right? Now mix them again until the cheese is melted and transfer it into the bowl, and there we have it. Alright guys, my tofu miso is cooked, and I've got here my scrambled cheese eggs, and I've got my tomatoes, and I've got this some seasonal salad leaves. So you can see, you can buy this in any supermarket. And I've got sour cream, and I've got here my flatbread. It's called the spinach garden herbs, as you can see. I like this because it gives more flavor and freshness to our wrap. So let's make this, and I can't wait to eat this guys, so let's go. Alright, so sour cream. Got my bread warm and hot. And then we're gonna add our mixed salad leaves. I love vegetables, so I usually put a lot. And our egg, just scatter them around. I mean in the middle, just scatter them so it's distributed equally. And our tofu, 2 pieces, and then our tomatoes. Then that's it. We're just gonna wrap them. Just fold them like that. Look at that, guys. Wrapped beautiful, it's secure, it's tight. So you can see it's really tight. Now we're gonna cut them. Slice them in half. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that. Can't wait to hit this, guys. Woo! Looks chicken though, you know? Look at that beautiful, sexy egg wrap. This dish is vegetarian, guys, so it's quite healthy. But because I added cheese, it's alright, but let's see. Now, let's have a try. Look at that. And to be fair, to be honest, the egg is really good because of the cheese. It added more depth of flavor. And the tofu, when you bite into it, there's like Asian flavor. So it's really, really good. I mean, if you guys want to try it, I'm gonna post the recipe down below the description and you judge it, guys. Because for me, this is a really good breakfast or lunch. It's really nice. The texture, the vegetable wrap with the herbs itself. I mean, guys, the tofu itself, if you taste it, you can taste umami flavor. It's really good, the tofu. And it's very simple, just soy sauce and just the miso paste. They just pan fry it. And I've tried this once before. You grill it, really, really nice, really good. So just a tip, guys, miso tofu.